Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. Thank you. All right, in today's video I'm going to be doing a LOC method, but it's going to be LOC versus LCO, LCO, LOC versus LCO. I've seen other people doing this, so I really wanted to try it out to see what the difference is, if there's actually a real difference. And I've decided to make the video a little less formal, I guess. You guys were saying from the previous video that you like more of these sit down, talk, chit chat type of videos. So I was like, you know, let's do that. So we're gonna have a bit of a chat while we do this. I'm gonna take off my hat. Yeah, let me take this out and then we can begin picking our contenders for today. So this is what my hair is currently looking like. You know, lockdown has been hard, guys. Lockdown has been hard. If you're still in lockdown like us, I feel for you. Okay, so for my contenders, for my liquid, I have water. L liquid leave-in. So I have water, and I'm gonna mix my Cantu leave-in conditioner with my coconut and hibiscus curl enhancing smoothie oil. The oil that I will be using is jojoba oil. This is also running out, like and then for the cream, I will be using shea butter, raw organic shea butter. Let me take these hairs out, because last time when Farai did my voiceover, he was making fun of my shea butter. It's just hair, my guy. There. Some shea butter. So I'm gonna start off. I think I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 to 6. So we'll start off with this section, and on this side I'm going to be doing the liquid oil and cream, so the typical LOC method. So I'm going to start off with some water, with some aqua, Cantu. Let me finish up this section, then I'm going to do cream, seal that off with some cream, making sure that I warm it up in my hand. Then I'm gonna go in and do a braid. Oh, I forgot. By the way, I've started doing this thing where towards the end I will, instead of finishing it off with a braid, I will go in with a 2-strand twist. And this, I have seen that it just makes the process so much easier and so much quicker. Your hair doesn't tangle as much as well, and I like it. I saw someone else, I think Esther Grams doing it, or her stylist doing it to her hairdresser, and I was like, revolutionary. So I'm just gonna time lapse the rest of this, and then we can finish this and go on to the next side of the head, because we already know how to do the LOC method. We've been doing this, so yeah, there's no rush. It just got dark really quickly. Well, the sun went down. Okay, so I've gone and done this side. So I'm gonna start the LCO side. I wonder if there's actually going to be any difference in this, to be honest. I really wonder whether there's going to be any difference, because the way people be fighting about this, it's above me. Oh, also guys, I wanted to ask you a question. I think this is the perfect time. Whoa, my forehead. Oh, what I wanted to ask was, I was thinking of doing not a giveaway, but something for the notification gang, because I noticed there are some people who like are killing the game. Like some of you, Dorothy, Modi, wow, okay. Wow, I could never myself. So I want to figure out how we can, you know, make this exciting for those who are continuously getting the notification gang, because at the end of the day, turning your notifications on supports me and helps me. It helps with the algorithm, and it just tells YouTube that, like, you know, we like your stuff, we like her stuff. So it really helps. So if you don't have your notification bell on, do us a favor, please. It's not by force. And then but yeah, what do you guys think is a good giveaway, or what do you guys think is a good reward for, you know, notification gang, for someone who has been winning more than once? I was thinking maybe like we could have a video call together. I could, you know, organize a video call, or maybe we could, I don't know, like we could have a video call, or maybe I could send some, you know, like money for a little drink or some, a little nibble, you know, just like $20 or, you know, $10, $50 if the Lord permits. Yeah, let me know like what you guys think is a good reward. I was sort of leaning more towards the phone calls, because I know that, you know, I always get messages about people wanting my number and things like that. So maybe we can make it a reward that I'm not going to give my number, but maybe I could get a second SIM, and then that's what I can use, and we can have some scheduled calls with the notification gang, or the winner, or, you know, someone who has won more than once in whatever, the past 2 months or the past month or whatever, or who's just been winning frequently. You know, I'll be able to tell anyway, because I know, you know, some of the names of the people who have won more than once. So yeah, let me know in the comment section what you think would be a good, what did I just do? I did that, oh wow, I did that all wrong. Let me concentrate. Let me concentrate. Yeah, but let me know in the comment section what you think is a good reward. At the end of the day, I'll pick, you know, what I can is conducive to me, and I'll pick what I can sort of afford, and at the same time what I can do. Alright, I'm done. From the get-go, I can see that this side is a little bit more like leathery, and this side is a little bit more just sort of like, it doesn't have that white cast as compared to this side. And that may be because this side is just freshly done, but I didn't have this much white when I did this side. So we shall see. I don't know whether this side is looking messier because I'm tired, or whether because there's quite a big difference in terms of like the cleanliness of these braids, and I don't know whether that's to do with me or not. But anyway, we'll see when we actually take this hair out. So yeah, there's like a little shadow. Oh, it's these balloons. Okay, I'm back. It's the next day. New black top. We're gonna try and we're gonna have a look at this hair to see exactly if there's any difference, or if there isn't any difference. Don't mind my face being extra shiny. There's lights, there's a window, and I've just washed my face and put on like a whole plethora of skincare routines. So we're looking hella shiny. Everything's still soaking in. Alright, so let's have a look at this bad boy. This is what it's currently looking like. Let me have a look here. This is the LOC method. This is the LCO method. There's not really much difference I can see at the moment, other than, you know, the difference in the two different braid sizes and all. But I can see that the end of this is actually less fuzzy than this side. So I feel like this might be an overall thing, because here we went liquid, oil, then cream. So the cream would be more sealing, but here we went cream first, then oil. So I would presume this side will have a shinier effect to it. But let's take the bad boys out and see what the end result actually is. Be careful with how I take this out. So this is the LCO. Does it look like there's any difference really? Let me come a little closer. Does it look like there's any difference? Yes or no? You tell me. Well, the ends of this side are a lot nicer, a lot more defined than this side. I feel like this is actually a lot more neater and crisp than this side. But this side is definitely shinier than this side. Let's pull it apart a little bit. Oh, this side is definitely easier to pull apart. This is more crunchy, and this is very, very soft, oily, a little bit greasy. It's surprising because I would assume that this side would be the oily side, because it's the oil came last, but this side is actually the oilier side, or the greasier side, which was the cream was the last thing. So which one do I like better? To be honest, I'm actually kind of digging this side. Something about it is actually very nice. I like the sort of crunchier, like I feel like my curls, the curl smoothie worked better on this side than it did on this side. This side feels a little bit heavy. So this side the curls activated, yes, but they didn't really activate that well. But this side, like the curls, you can see the zigzag right here, like it's full on zigzagged. So it really depends on what you want, because this side gives you more moisture on the outside. This side I feel like gives you more moisture on the inside. I know my hair is moisturized, but the outside is very crunchy. So in terms of which side, I really do prefer this side. So you tell me. At the same time, you might be able to pick up more on the camera, but I think this side is a winner for me, because I've brushed it out, but you can still see like some curl definition, whereas this, you can see less curl definition. It's more brushing it out. So I think if I want to do like a sort of curl hairstyle, I would go LCO, or a puff, a curly puff. If I want to do my afro, my fluffy afro, then LOC is what will work, because it's already giving me the fluffiness that I like for my afro. But this, after it's been brushed out, it's still giving me like major curls. So I think honestly they're pretty much the same. It's only minor details, but otherwise it's pretty much the same thing. I think I might start doing the LCO method more. So that's the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, make sure to like, make sure to comment down below, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I love you guys so much. I will see you at the end of the week.